We are excited to share the recent quiz competition, Ogboo Kaakaa Akwɛɔ in Ghana, held for our young ones, focusing on the Ghana language for our KG and Basic 1 and 3 students. This exciting event took place across 5 vibrant municipalities: Ladade Kotopon, Krowo, Korle Klote, Ablekuma, and Ayawaso East. The purpose of this competition is to promote the rich Ghana language among our children, ensuring that they grow up with a strong cultural identity. During the quiz, the tension was palpable as contestants showcased their knowledge and skills. It was challenging, no doubt, but the spirit of camaraderie and learning was what shone that brightened. At the end of the day, the competition reached its thrilling conclusion, and Krowo municipality emerged as a standout, represented by Kwe Nungwa RC, Kroma S Basic, and Nungwa Presby KG. They claimed victory as overall winners for both the KG and Basic 1 and 3 categories. We also had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Enoch, Head of Business and Client Unit at the Bureau of Ghana Languages. He expressed their continued support for the promotion of the Ghana language and highlighted the need for collaboration in this endeavor.
Yes, I think last 2 years we organized this quiz in collaboration with the Ni Kasemogbe. And this year too, we've done that. For what happened today, we realized that the competition need a little bit of support. Yes, a little bit of support to make it very grand and also very organized as well. We realized that the Ghana language is one of the languages that if we don't take care, in a few years to come, the use of the Ghana language will be lost. Even though we are in Accra, but then we realize that most of the schools don't even teach the Ghana language. We don't in the system as well. And the Bureau have it in mind that for a language, if you're a child, it's very good for you to learn the language when you are an infant. But then when you grow, sometimes it becomes very difficult for you to learn the language. And so if the adults speak the language themselves feed out, the next generation, what are they going to do? So we decided when Nika Semoko came up with this idea, the Bureau decided that we are going to fully support them whichever way that we can. And so that is why we'll be supporting this competition.
After the competition, our La TV official reporter took a moment to interview the public relations officer from the Krowo Educational Directorate. He praised the wonderful organization of the event, emphasizing the importance of such initiative in fostering language and culture. Madam Suele Lai, the passionate leader and founder of Ni Kasemogbe, made an inspiring call for support from companies and individuals. She believes it takes a community to uplift our language and heritage, and together we can make a significant impact.
Agbela we chon le ame sumo na me chonga de ka me chon ke je shije na joga chon mo shike de basic 4 ni di mango ni die dwe e chon ma ke be yele ke bo amoko be ke nye she mango ni die dwe de na chon le akepi ke bo na agma e ke bo na agma o e ka me ma 3 ka gbene le nwo si le wo ni ke ni bi ne ke challenges ne ni ke pe original buy ne ni na ke da bi sa ni ke yele ke bo amo ha shololo e yen lolo ina ko le mi lo kra eni mi ta o ni ma she because she been my shade me. link patch of fear, for na feel you. Jena Bene, Obacha Melbourne. You can get what channel, you can walk back and I mean, one more than look, and no 10 be.
Later that day, the champions of the competition paid a courtesy call on the Municipal Genius Director for Krogo, Mr. Aziriya Ayeriga. They presented their trophies and medals to him and shared in the joy of their victory, congratulating the team for bringing pride and glory to Krogo Municipality.
Surprised because of the preparation that you were taking through, your teachers and the organizers. And today, what else can we say? We give thanks to God that out of the 5 municipalities, we have been crowned the winners. It is in place that we have been declared the winners. And I'm sure you'll be happy to hear that we have gone there to represent this municipality and we have been declared the winners.
This was not just a quiz competition, it was a celebration of our culture and language, a chance for our younger generation to connect with their roots.